Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome for LO4, produce written reports. In this video, we will explore how to effectively present scientific work in written form. You will learn how to produce structured and professional biology reports, communicate findings clearly, and apply the correct scientific conventions to ensure your work meets academic standards. Learning Outcome 4 focuses on producing written reports. It assesses your ability to present scientific work clearly and professionally. You must structure reports logically and use accurate scientific terminology. Present data and conclusions coherently. Communicate results effectively to an informed reader. A biology report must follow a specific structure. It should include a title, aim, and hypothesis. Identify variables and conduct a risk assessment. The method, results, analysis, conclusion, and evaluation follow. Each section serves a distinct purpose in the report. The title of your report should be clear and specific. It must state what was investigated. A well-crafted title sets the tone for the entire report. It guides the reader's expectations. Ensure it reflects the core focus of your experiment. The aim is a concise statement of the experiment's purpose. It explains what you intend to investigate. The aim should be clear and direct. It provides context for the hypothesis. Ensure it is linked to the overall research question. A hypothesis is a testable prediction. It should be directly linked to the aim. The hypothesis guides the experimental process. It helps in analyzing results. Ensure it is specific and measurable. Variables are crucial in experiments. Identify independent, dependent, and control variables. Independent variables are manipulated. Dependent variables are measured. Control variables remain constant to ensure fair testing. Risk assessment identifies potential hazards. It outlines control measures to mitigate risks. This ensures safety during experiments. A thorough assessment is essential for a successful experiment. Document all identified risks clearly. The method describes the experimental procedure. It should be clear and step-by-step. Write in past tense to maintain formality. Ensure it allows for replication of the experiment. This section is crucial for validating results. Results are presented using tables and graphs. Ensure all data is labeled with units. Clarity in presentation aids understanding. Results should be free from interpretation. This section is purely factual. Analysis identifies trends and patterns in data. Look for any anomalies in results. Discuss possible reasons for these anomalies. The analysis should be objective and based on evidence. It provides insight into the experiment's outcomes. The conclusion summarizes the findings. It links back to the hypothesis. Confirm or refute your hypothesis based on results. Ensure the conclusion is concise. It should reflect the experiment's aim. Evaluation discusses the experiment's accuracy. Address any anomalies and method suitability. Suggest improvements for future experiments. An honest evaluation enhances the report's credibility. It demonstrates critical thinking. Use clear headings and subheadings in your report. Write in full sentences using formal language. Methods and results should be in past tense. Avoid personal opinions or informal phrases. Present tables and figures clearly. References are crucial for academic integrity. Use reliable sources to support your report. Follow a consistent citation style. Further reading can enhance your understanding. It provides additional context to your findings. Refer to ebooks and journals for additional resources. Email any queries to the provided address. Submit assignments via email within the deadline. Ensure all sections of the report are complete. Submission is crucial for assessment. Conclusion. Producing a structured scientific report is fundamental in biology. Adhering to established conventions and presenting data clearly ensures accuracy and facilitates understanding. Developing these skills strengthens scientific communication and supports the effective dissemination of research findings. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 074-84361-688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.